Hello friends, I am Dr. Jyoti Singh. Welcome to my channel GK Hunt. Friend, today I have brought some important GK question and answer on superlatives of India. Part 2. Let's start. Question number first. Which is the largest auditorium in India? The answer is B.M. Birla Auditorium, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Next, which railway station has the longest platform? The answer is Gorakhpur Railway Station. Next, which is the highest lake of India? The answer is Taso Lamo Lake or Cho Lamo, Sikkim. Next, which is the highest highway of India? The answer is Leh Manali Highway. Next, which is the highest commercial airport of India? The answer is Kusuk Bakul Rinpoche Airport in Leh. Next, the highest plunge waterfall in India is Nohkalikai Falls in Meghalaya. Next, which is the largest animal fair in India? The answer is Sonpur Cattle Fair or Sonpur Mela. Next, which is the highest mountain peak of India? The answer is Kanchenjunga. Next, which is the largest cantilever bridge of India? The answer is Ravindra Setu or Howrah Bridge in Kolkata. Next, which is the biggest stadium of India? The answer is Motera Stadium, Gujarat. It is officially known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium. Next, which is the biggest hotel in India? The answer is ITC Grand Chola Chennai, 600 rooms. Next, which is the tallest statue of India? The answer is Statue of Unity, Vadodara, Gujarat, height 600 feet. It is also tallest in the world. Next, which is the India's extreme south point mainland? The answer is Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. It is also known Cape Comorin. Next, which is the India's southmost point? The answer is Indra Point, Nicobar Island in UT of Andaman Nicobar. Next, deepest river valley of India is Bhagirathi. Next, the lowest point with respect to sea level in India is Kochant, Kerala. Next, which is the busiest airport of India? The answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Next, the oldest observatory of India is Jantar Mantar, Delhi. Next, which is the oldest university of India? The answer is University of Kolkata, 1857. Next, which is the oldest zoo of India? The answer is Ariknar Anna Zoological Park. Next, the oldest operating port in India is Lothal Port, Gujarat. Next, which is the oldest and still existing newspaper? The answer is the Bombay Samachar, established in 1822, now Mumbai Samachar. Next, Indian state with highest population density is, the answer is West Bengal. Next, Indian state with lowest population density is Arunachal Pradesh. Next, which state has highest literacy rate? The answer is Kerala. Next, which religion has highest literacy rate? The answer is Jain. Next, which is the longest national highway in the India? The answer is National Highway 44, NH 44. It starts from Srinagar in the north and ends in Kanyakumari in the south. Next, which is the highest gallantry award in India? Answer is Param Veer Chakra. Next, which is the cleanest river in India? The answer is Amgot River. Next, which is the cleanest city of India in 2020? The answer is Indore. Hey friends, if you want to watch more knowledgeable and informative videos, don't forget to subscribe GK Hunt and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.